Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another locomotive from the UK, and we're going to be building the British Rail Class 42, otherwise known as the Warships. And each of these locomotives was named. The particular one we're building is D832 Onslaught. And eagle-eyed viewers will notice that this is the locomotive type used for Diesel 10 in Thomas and Friends. So this is what it looks like. Now let's get right into our build. So we're going to start off on the bottom of one end and take out some green concrete. And we're going to go 5 wide across the tracks of green concrete. Behind it, an upside down dark prismarine stair backwards on either side. Then, on each side above the stair, put a single green concrete. In front of that, 5 red concrete across here. Then we're going to put a polished deep slate wall on each side and close a trapdoor on each one. Put a dark oak fence in the middle, and then open a dark oak fence gate on either side of it. And that concrete is not supposed to be there. Then we're going to come on bottom, right behind where these stairs are, and put a dark oak fence gate on each rail. So right behind the stairs like this. Then in front of that, we're going to put a netherite wheel on each rail. In the middle, a deep slate tile top slab. Then in front of this, we're going to go 5 wide of deep slate tile stairs facing this way. Then 5 deep slate tile bottom slabs, 1 slab on the top middle. Turn around and go 5 wide of deep slate tile stairs going this way. Then behind this, another set of netherite wheels and a top slab in the middle. Put a fence gate on the back of these wheels. Then put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 wheels. Then right here, put a fence gate on the middle of the side and 3 dark oak trapdoors up here. Same thing, so 3 trapdoors here and a fence gate on the middle. Next, come up top with black stone brick block in the middle and go 3 wide in the center up here and bring it down till it's over these back fence gates. Then we're going to take upside down dark prismarine stairs, 1 here and 1 here. Then turn around in an upside down stair on this corner and 1 here. Then we're going to put a green concrete on the back of each of these 2 stairs up here on the second layer. Then under that green concrete, another upside down dark prismarine stair going this way here, and 1 going this way under here. So it looks like that. Then we're going to come on bottom and come off that bottom stair with green concrete, and we're going to do a line of green concrete down the side, 11 blocks long in total. And then another line of 11 on top, so it's 2 blocks tall. Repeat on this side, so 11 green concrete down here, and then another row of 11 on top of it. Then we'll come on the top middle with our black stone brick block again and fill this whole middle in and bring it down to this other end. Then on the bottom of each side, an upside down dark prismarine stair here and here, green concrete on top of them, and another stair here and here. Then we'll take dark oak fence gates and we're going to align with where these top stairs are and put a fence gate on each rail here and here so they're aligned with the second stair there. In front of that, we'll do a netherite wheel on each rail and a deep slate tile top slab in the middle. Then we're going to go 5 wide of deep slate tile stairs here. Then 5 deep slate tile bottom slabs. 1 slab on the middle here. Turn around, 5 wide of deep slate tile stairs going this way. Behind that, another set of netherite wheels and a slab in the middle. Then a fence gate on here and here. Then go through, put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 netherite wheels. Then we'll put a fence gate on the center side here. And same thing on this side. Then we're going to put 3 dark oak trapdoors here and 3 right here. Then we'll come up top again with our black stone brick block and continue going 3 wide in the middle over this truck. And bring it right down until it's over these fence gates here. Then take a dark prismarine stair again. And we're going to turn around and put an upside down stair on top going this way here. And then 1 upside down stair on this side here. Then up here on the second layer, 3 black stone brick blocks in the middle, a green concrete on either side of the second layer. Then come under here and put an upside down dark prismarine stair under this green concrete going this way. And then repeat on this side, an upside down stair under this one. In front of this on the bottom, we're going to go 5 wide of green concrete. Above that, we'll go 5 wide of red concrete. Then we'll put a polished deep slate wall on either side of the top, close the trapdoor on them. Then a dark oak fence in the middle and open a fence gate on either side of it. Then we're going to come on the second block back on this top middle and put 3 black stone brick blocks here, and we're going to use that to mount 5 upside down dark prismarine stairs facing this way. And then we're just going to wrap around the corner with upside down stairs, and we're going to do a full row of stairs coming down the side, all facing outward like this. And we're going to bring that all the way down to the other end here. Then when we get where this red concrete is, we're going to wrap around the corner and come across here with upside down stairs, then wrap around the corner, and you guessed it, we're going to come all the way back down this side with our upside down, outward facing dark prismarine stairs, and we'll bring it down to this other end so it all fills in on this side with upside down stairs. Just like that. Next, come on top of the end, and we're going to go 5 wide of yellow concrete above these stairs. Then we'll put a yellow on each side in the middle and a black concrete here and here. Then a bamboo button on each bottom corner of the yellow. Then 3 green concrete on the top middle and a green stained glass pane on either side. Then we're going to come on bottom behind this on the outer edge. And we'll use our green concrete, and we're going to do a line of 6 green concrete down here. And then make that 3 blocks tall so it's a 6 by 3. Repeat on this side. Do a 6 by 3 of green concrete over here. Then up here we'll put 3 green concrete on the front middle. Then we're going to put a green stained glass pane on the center and a black stained glass pane on either side. Behind this, a green concrete in the middle, 2 black stained glass blocks on either side. Then a green concrete on all 4 of these corners and 2 black stained glass panes for windows on each side. And we're going to repeat that whole process at the other end. So come to this end, 5 wide of yellow concrete, then 1 on the middle and each side, and a black concrete here and here. Then a bamboo button here and here. On the top middle, 3 green concrete and a green stained glass pane on each side. Then on the bottom side here, we'll do a 6 by 3 of green concrete again. And same thing here, 6 long and 3 tall of green concrete on this side. Then we'll put 3 green concrete on this middle here, then a green stained glass pane on the center and a black stained glass pane on either side. Behind it in the middle of green concrete, 2 black stained glass blocks on either side. Then a green concrete in all 4 of these corners, and 2 black stained glass panes on the middle of each side. Now come on bottom behind this, change this stair to a right side up black stone brick stair, then an upside down stair above it. Then we need to repeat on the other side, of course. So come over here, right side up black stone brick stair down here, upside down stair above it. Then same thing here, right side up stair, upside down. Same thing here. Then next to this stair here, above the dark prismarine stairs, a full row of green concrete across here. And repeat on that side. We'll do a full row of green concrete across here as well. Then we're going to come through on all 4 of these black stone brick stairs and put a warp door on all 4 of them. Then we'll come back through and put a single green concrete above all 4 of these doors. Then next to the door, we're going to do a column of 3 green concrete on both sides, then 1 green concrete, then a column of 3 again. Then repeat at this end, so a column of 3 here, then 1, then 3 coming up. Repeat here, so 3, 1, 3. Then we'll put another row of green concrete across this gap, and same thing on this side, another row of green concrete here. Then on each of these top corners, we're going to do a 3 by 3 of outward facing deep slate tile stairs on each side like this. Make sure they're 3 tall and 3 wide. repeat on this side, so do a 3x3 of stairs here, and a 3x3 of stairs here. Then, on this center, 3 green concrete, then 1 on each side and a block of gold in the middle. Repeat here, so 3 concrete, 1 on each side and a block of gold. Put a deep slate tile stair outward on each block of gold. Then we're going to put a dark oak sign on the block of gold right here. And come over here and put 1 sign on this block of gold. Then we're going to come to our doors, and on either side of this door, we're going to put a column of 3 iron bars. Same thing here, 3 iron bars on either side of this one. And then of course we have to do the other side. So we'll do 3 iron bars here, 3 here, and then same thing here. Then in this gap, a black stained glass block on all 4 of these gaps, and then a green concrete above all 4 of these windows, so that the roof is all the same height. Then come between this set of 3 stairs, and we're going to do a 3x3 plus shape of deep slate tile blocks like this, and then 1 plus shape between this set of stairs. Then we're going to take out our green concrete again in between here, and we're going to fill in around these fans all with green concrete in here. Then on this end we're going to put 2 decorated pots here, 2 here. Then we'll put 3 green concrete on either side. Then in front of it go 3 wide with green concrete, and we're going to bring that all the way across the top middle till it's over this window right here. Then we'll repeat on this end, 3 green concrete on either side of this, then go 3 wide with it, and bring it forward till it's over this window right here. Then on this top outer edge, we're going to start here with outward facing dark prismarine stairs. Then come across here, between here, and then down to this end. And we will repeat over here. So dark prismarine stairs across here, 1 here, 1 here, and then across here. And now we'll do some detailing here. So first we're going to take out mangrove buttons, and we're going to come down in this corner, put 1 button here, 1 here. On the next layer above it, we're going to do a row of blank birch signs coming across this. And we're going to bring it over till it's above the other button. And then we'll repeat on the other side. So come down here with a mangrove button, put 1 here, 1 here, and then same thing, we're going to do a row of blank birch signs coming across this on the next layer up. And we'll bring it over till it's above this button here. Now we're going to come down here next to this top iron bar, put a warp sign with D832. Hit it with white dye and a glowing sack. Repeat at this end, so warp sign here with D832. Then hit that one with white dye and a glowing sack. And then of course we're going to repeat on the other side, so come over here, do a sign here with D832, hit it with white dye and a glowing sack. Same thing here. Then we're going to come on the end with a dark oak sign. And on this black concrete, we're going to put 1, and I don't know if it's supposed to be 1A or IA. So I just put 1A. And on the other one, another sign with 8-1. Hit them both with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we'll repeat down at this end. So a dark oak sign here with 1A, and another sign with 8-1. Hit them both with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we're going to do roof detailing. So we're going to come up top, and we're going to put 3 warp buttons like this, and 1 in the middle, then 2 on each side and 1 in the middle, then 2 on each side again and 1 in the middle, so it looks like that. Repeat at this end. So 2 here, 2 here, come across 3, then another square, and another. Then we're going to put an oak trapdoor on the center of each of these spans, and surround each one with 4 iron trapdoors. Then we'll do a 3x3 square of warp buttons here. And now the exterior's done, and we're gonna come inside here. So come through the door with polish andesite block, and we're gonna put 3 across at the same level of the door here, and start bringing it down across 3 wide. And we'll stop when we're lined up with the doors on this end here. Then we're gonna put a polished andesite slab on the center here, in front of the doors. And same thing on this end. Then in front of that, we're gonna come 1 block up and go 3 wide with polished andesite and bring it down to the front end of this cab. Then we'll add 3 under the window, 1 in the middle here. Put a lever on this. Then we're gonna put a glow item frame with a compass here and here. Turn around, put a stair here and here for seats. Then right behind this slab, we're gonna do a 2x2 of blast furnaces right here. 2 polished andesite on top. Then a door here and a polished andesite above it. And then we're gonna repeat down here. So we'll come to this end, and we're gonna come 1 block up in front of this slab here, go 3 wide of polished andesite, and then fill this in to the front of this cab on this end. Then 3 under the window, 1 in the middle, a glow item frame with a compass on either side, a lever here. Then we can put stairs here and here. Then back here, a 2x2 of blast furnaces here. 2 polished andesite above it, then a door and a polished andesite above that. And now we'll do the engine compartment here. So we're gonna come right here, put 2 more decorated pots on top in the middle, and then under that we need a 2x2 of cauldrons right here. And I was having a little bit of trouble placing it. So in the middle like that. Then we'll repeat at this end. So we'll add 2 more pots up here. And then a 2x2 of cauldrons in the middle right here. Then we're gonna put a column of 3 polished deep slate walls here, 3 here. Then at one end, we're gonna put 5 anvils down the middle, 5 netherite blocks above it. Then we'll go through and put a dark oak button on each netherite block. And same thing on the other side, a button on each block. Then on top, another 5 anvils. Then behind this, we're gonna put a polished deep slate wall, 2 of them, and a brewing stand. Then, right here, on the top middle, we're gonna put a hopper, and right under it, a dark oak trapdoor here. In full disclosure, I was able to find some videos for cabs interiors on this, but I could not find any pictures or videos of the engine compartment, so that engine compartment is completely made up by me as I couldn't find pictures. And now we'll come back outside and add the name. So we're gonna come under where this gold block is, put a mangrove sign here. Then on the middle one, we're gonna type Onslaught. And we're gonna hit that with yellow dye in a glow ink sac. And we're also gonna put another mangrove sign next to it, so it's like that. And of course, we'll repeat over here. So a sign on either side, and on the middle one, type Onslaught. Hit it with yellow dye in a glow ink sac. And there we have it, folks. We finally completed our British Rail Class 42 Warship Locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.